I'm on page 89 of your Osborne book, Advanced Formatting, Exercise 2. We're going to look at conditional formatting. In this second exercise, we're going to make use of conditional formatting in an inventory situation to help us identify when inventory of a product is low. You're going to need T3 inventory list, as we're going to use a spreadsheet that's already been created. We want to save that as T3 exercise 2. So file, save as T3 exercise 2. It's always good practice that whenever you open up a spreadsheet, you take a look at it just to become familiar with it. So when you're being asked to do any questions, you're able to comply. So if I look, you've got the product code. So that's telling us all the products that our business sells. Inventory, how much stock we have in storage. Price, how much the CPU, cost per unit, is for one item. Value, the total cost of the items. Reorder level is how much we have to, when we have to reorder. So if this inventory level falls to this, we then need to reorder. We want to set the column width to 11. So I'm going to click on F and I'm going to right click and I'm going to go to column width and set it to 11. When I'm done, I'll click OK. In F3, I want to enter inventory versus reorder. As you can see, it doesn't fit in the cell properly. I could open the column, but I've been told to set it to 11. So the best thing we need to do is wrap text it. That means that the words will fit in the cell nice and neat. We now want to enter a formula to basically work out our inventory versus reorder. So equals, to start a formula, open bracket. Inventory minus reorder, close your bracket. When you're done, press enter. Just check it on a calculator to make sure you're happy, and when you know it's correct, we can flash fill. We now want to apply conditional formatting. As my column is already highlighted, as you can see, we can go to conditional formatting. I'm going to go to conditional formatting. We've got highlight and we've got top and bottom. Highlight is if you're looking for something greater than, less than, between, so forth. If you're looking for the top or bottom 10, 20, 30 items, then you'll come here. So I'm looking for less than 0. So I'm going to click on less than. As it's less than already, I just need to type 0. I have the default customs. If you can't find what you're looking for, click on custom format. We want the field to be a dark grey, so I'll click on the drop down background colour and select a dark grey. I want the font to be a black text, so I'll click on font and select black. And when I'm done, I'll click OK and OK. And you'll see that everything that's come up with a negative, because it's less than 0, has come up with the format. You need to save the book, keeping the same name. So you could do Control and S, or you could go File and Save, or you could click on the disk. And this stage is now complete.